Using lemon for hair regrowth. Fresh lemon juice, henna, and yogurt pack. To 1/2 cup natural henna powder add fresh juice of just 1 lemon and enough plain yogurt. Combine the components to create a thick hair pack. Use the pack on hair and wrap a plastic cover around hair. Leave those not less than half an hour. If you're interested to paint hair, then leave those for 1 to 2 hours. Wash hair with water that is clean and follow up having a mild shampoo. Fresh lemon juice rinse. Squeeze juice of 1 fresh lemon in 1/4 bucket water. Make use of this water like a last rinse in your hair following a shampooing hair. Fresh lemon juice and coconut water. Combine 1/4 cup fresh coconut water with 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Use the liquid on scalp and massage for 5 to 10 minutes. Allow the mixture to assemble of 20 minutes. Rinse hair with water that is clean. Repeat the remedy once per week. You may also combine 1 fresh coconut water with half fresh lemon juice and employ it like a last rinse on hair after your shampoo. Fresh lemon juice, curry leaves and coconut oil. Add 2 fistfuls of fresh curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and half fresh lemon juice inside a blender to combine well. Use the paste on hair and scalp. Leave those for approximately 15 to 20 minutes and rinse hair with water that is clean. Lemon and aloe vera. Combine 2 teaspoons of fresh aloe gel from the damaged aloe leaf or pure packaged aloe gel with 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Use the mixture on hair and scalp. Massage scalp for 5 to 10 minutes using the succulent part of damaged aloe leaf. Allow the mixture get up on hair for 20 to 30 minutes before washing off. Alternatively, you are able to replace aloe gel with 3 teaspoons of aloe vera juice.